Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s equals to the square root of number 5 tan t, because if I put this one go in here, we have 5 tan t square, number 5, we can do about factorization. Tan t square plus 1, we change secant of t square, and later that we simplify by the s. Next, we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and you got about the square root of number 5 secant of t square dt. So I will put this one go in here. The s we change by this one. This one we have 5 tan t square. Number 5, we can do about factorization. So this one you got about secant of t square. Secant of t square divided by secant of t square, you got about number 1. So we just have only the square root of number 5 over 5. The integration of dt, you got about number t, and we put about c. That is about the constant. About t, this is about t. So to find the value of t, we need to divide both sides by the square root of number 5. And now we can find the value of t, that is equal to tan of s over the square root of number 5. So we put this one to change for t. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.